Om Sri Matre Namaha. Today, Mahashivaratri. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Today's Panchangam, 15th February 2026, Sunday, Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishirardo, Mashi Masam, that is Kumbha Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 5:51 p.m, Trayodashi, then Chaturdashi. Today's Nakshatram up to 8:39 p.m, Uttradam, then Tiruvonam Nakshatram. Today's Rahualam 4:30 to 6 p.m, Yamagandam 12 to 1:30 p.m, Gulegalam 3 to 4:30 p.m, good time 9 to 10:30 a.m, then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Midhuna Rashi, Prayachittam Jangari, Sradhatadi Trayodashi. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Today Mahashivaratri. Om Hreem Namah Shivaya. Trayamba Sadashivaya Namaha.